哇！你哋開緊邊個個禮物？晴晴邊個個禮物？
媽媽爸爸。
係啊。
哦，睇下。
哇！
咩嚟㗎？
查下知道啊。
邊個嚟㗎？
我睇到啲嘢啦。
嗰個咩嚟㗎？
我睇到啲嘢，咩未看？
You know what those are, Madeline? It's tickets to go to Disneyland.
This?
Yeah,
Mommy.
tickets to go to Disneyland.
Mommy.
You want to go to Disneyland?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are tickets to go to Disneyland.
Mommy, look.
I see.
Different for you.
No, it's for you. It's for you to go to Disneyland. So you can see Buzz and Woody, and Madeline can see all the princesses.
Who wants to go to Disneyland?
Show us what else did you get. What's the big square? What is that?
Woody.
Woody? No, what's the...
Woody to
What's
the
that?
bus. This?
Yeah, what is it?
Sheep.
Sheets. Wow, let me see. Show us.
Sheets for what?
Sheep for a bed.
Wow, it glows in the dark, Madeline.
I got bigger.
Okay.
What did you get, Zachary?
What?
Toy Story?
What glows in the dark?
The sheets.
What
Do you
say,
see?
Madeline?
謝謝。
謝謝邊個啊？
謝謝爺爺。
唔係爺爺俾你，做咩謝謝爺爺啊？
謝謝邊個啊？
謝謝媽媽。婆婆。
都唔係婆婆俾，
謝謝我。
謝謝邊個㗎
爸爸。
？And
謝謝媽媽。
弟弟？
謝謝媽媽。謝謝爸爸。
乖啦。
謝謝媽媽。
嚇？